Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage audience on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The audience control setting on TikTok gives creator flexible options to manage who can view their content and profile. Creator and text individual content if it contains themes that they prefer to hide from people under the age of 18. Creator also have the option to set up audience control for account to limit their profiles and content to people at least 18 years old. So how to do it, how to manage the audience on your TikTok. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. You can scroll down on Content and Display section. There is an option Audience Control. You can just tap on that. There is an option Age 18 and older. So when you enable this feature, you can limit your profile feature videos and live videos to those age 18 and older. You won't be able to change this for individual content. So simple, right? So that is how to manage audience on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.